may official announcement para sa group ngayon. Tama ba?
Yes, meron silang special announcement of 1 of 3. Pero ano ba ang munang announcement, girls?
Okay, may tanong ako. Sino na dito ang kasamahan ng Weverse community ng Bini? Yan. Yes guys, we are now on Weverse and from now on, doon na kami post, doon na kami makikipag-interact. So download the Weverse app now.
Yes, and syempre nandun na ang aming fellow P-pop group SB19 to represent the Philippines. And hindi lang yan! Nandiyan din ang mga global groups like BTS, Blackpink, 17, Cat's Eye, and even international artists like Ariana Grande and Dua Lipa, nandun din sila, and Joanna Robles.
Wow! Yes, na.
Ariana Grande, Dua Lipa, Cat's Eye, and Joanna Robles.
And kung mahilig din po kayo sa K-drama like me, nandun din po ang K-drama stars na mga favorites niyo. Yes. Kaya kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-join, this is your signal. Interact with us, your fellow blooms in our newest Tambayan.
Yes, you may also watch a lot of content there, especially yung mga exclusive releases sa Bini Global before na sa Weverse na. Kaya don't miss out guys, download the Weverse app and join the Bini community now.
At hindi lang yan, Blooms, we just opened the Bloom membership. Now it's your time to get an all-access pass to everything Bini. Enjoy first dibs on concert tickets,
Wow!
events, and merch. Sino ba dito mga nakabili na ng merch? Wow, ang dami! Excited na kami nakita ang suot yan. And unlock exclusive content, live streams, and member-only fan meets, and connect even closer to us.
Yes, sobrang dami niyong pwedeng abangan. Kaya Bloom, subscribe na sa Bloom membership sa Weverse.
Uy, napaka-exciting. Ang daming nilang dapat abangan sa Weverse, no?
Ang dami at huwag kakalimutan talaga, Joanna.
Robin. Oh. Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande. Joanna Robin.
Confidence na lang talaga.
It's na talaga. Pero syempre, Blooms, kaya pa ba? May energy pa ba tayo? Alright, because kanina we heard unang kilig. Are you ready for more? Hindi, pero hindi ko kaya pa nila eh.
Oo, kaya pa yan.
Blooms, are you ready for more? Alright, dahil dyan, we give you Hilig!
Oh my God, it's everything. Just like winter melting into spring. Look at what it does for me. Oh baby, you don't gotta guess. I'm already obsessed. The way you're going to take us I won't try to fight, so make it strong and let me flow. You're just how I like it. You keep it going up, just like the beat of love. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey, drip it for me. Make us a high, no one can love you so right. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey, drip it for me. Stay with me. Una like a honey, stay with me. Like honey, honey, drip it for me. Naghanap ko yun ang paligid, masarap habang umaawit sa gilid. The best of you, I must have missed you. You make me a queen, that's why I had to get that honey. Can't help myself when you look like that. If you talk to me, I'm a top right.
si Honey.
Honey, what's your message to our crew, honey? Translate mo, Ate Jo. Si Bambi.
Galing pa kasi siya sa ano, Aya Rock.
Paano kaya pag nandito si Bambi? Papakalan. Ay, Diyos ko po! Kagulo ako.
Di mo mahanap mag-crowd soon.
Tatanong siya dyan. Yes, guys, si Honey. Siya yung... Ay, si Honey.
Actually, si Honey po yung nagsulat ng song namin.
Talaga ba?
Ang galing ni Honey.
Grabe.
Hala! Andito naman si...
Kausapin mo! Kausapin mo! Kausapin mo!
Hindi, nalaro na lang din talaga. Na dog show na lang din talaga. Siyempre,
Honey! Ay!
Really? Yan, sila to. Pero sige, eto na. Balik na tayo. Eto na, balik tayo sa realidad. Hindi tayo si Honey. Pero eto na, market of course. Honey, yan ang surprise of course natin. Ang second single ng Bini na nirelease nila ng unang kilig. Siyempre, sino ba ang nagsulat? Written by Jeremy G. Grabe naman, naisingin ko yun ha.
Nasingin mo, salamat ha.
Yes,
Salamat.
Baka, ano pa bang mga hindi mo kaya talagang gawin?
Ang galing mo, Honey. Ay, sorry, Milo.
Honey.
Pero sir, kaya ng sinabi ko kanina, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sobrang nakaka-proud kayo kung saan kayo ngayon. From before, syempre, from day one. Pero, yung song niya na Honey was featured on multiple international playlists across Asia the world. And di lang yun, naka 1 million streams ang Honey on Spotify!
Grabe! Kaya naman, siyempre, tuloy-tuloy lang natin. Keep streaming Honey sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms. And, eto pa! Diyos ko! Magkakaroon ng visualizer ang Honey.
Wow!
Kaya naman, keep an eye, of course. Huwag nyo lang, pakikitutukan nyo lamang yan, of course. Eto na! Kaya naman, since nandito na rin tayo sa Signal Detected Blooms, Day with Bini, ang next game naman natin ay tatawagin natin Signals Game. Kaya dire-diretso na natin, papasukin na natin ang Lucky 8.